Ready to turn your clutter into cash this summer? Here's your quick guide to a garage sale that's bound to be a blockbuster. So you've got stuff, a lot of stuff. And guess what? It's garage sale season. First, pick a date. Aim for early mornings on a weekend when the sun isn't playing scorcher yet. Next up, pricing. Keep it simple, folks. Round to the nearest dollar. And remember, people love a bargain. Now, let's talk layout. Group similar items together to make shopping easier. Books with books, toys with toys, you get the drift. And yes, clearly label everything. A fun tip, have a mystery grab bag for $1. It's a hoot and clears out those odd bits and bobs. Don't forget to advertise. Use bright eye-catching signs and spread the word on social media. A cheeky post might just bring the crowds running. And remember, keep a cheerful tune on, offer some lemonade and enjoy the ride. After all, one person's junk is another's jackpot. Happy selling!